Once you have Premiere Pro open, let's go to the New Item button and create Black Video. We're going to make sure that the width is 1280, the height is 720. We want to make the time base 30 frames per second. We'll click OK. We've created now our Black Video. We're going to drag that into the timeline. So we're starting with those parameters. Then we're going to go and import our non-HD video footage that was taken by a cell phone. And we'll import that from our external drive into Premiere Pro. Once that's into Premiere Pro, let's drag that, and we'll bring that on top of the Black Video footage that we had already put into the timeline. And we know now we have to extend our Black Video to be over the entire length of the track and field footage. We're going to go up to the effects control and change the scale so that we make sure that the video goes from top to bottom in our frame. So that looks to be about 111%. That's fine. We're now going to take video and duplicate that track just by clicking and dragging it above it onto the timeline. So now with that track above highlighted, we're now going to add Gaussian blur to that image. We're going to blur it up. So we're going to go to the effects panel and search for Gaussian. And we see at the bottom there, Gaussian blur. We'll drag that right on top of the track that we have highlighted. We're not seeing any effect right now because if we go back to our effects panel, we see that the blurriness is 0%. Let's bring that up to 50%, and we'll see that that image blurs up nice. Now we're going to want to increase so that the image takes over the entire frame, so we're going to increase the scale. And we're going to take that up to about 200%. And there we go. We've got our frame completely covered. And now the last thing that we need to do is take the Black Video, highlight it, delete it. And then we're going to take the track on top and move it underneath the other track. Now we are looking through the non-HD footage through to the blurred scaled footage that takes up the entire screen, and now our non-HD footage can be seen in an HD window. That's what it looks like. Good luck.